Okay, so this is the Puck Lab. Let's see what happens here. That's really loud. So it's really cool. This is neat, isn't it? Great music too. Okay, magnetic track, superconductor. Oh my goodness, that's cool. Hope y'all loved that. I think this is the first time I've seen it. So what we see is there's gravitational potential energy at the top to kinetic energy at the bottom, right? Okay, great. So predict video shows several trials. Predict the height. Your object is predict the height to which the puck will rise. So let's see, what does this do? That's interesting. So I guess, all I can think of here is that they want me really to take measurements here of the velocity, and if I know the mass and the velocity of the puck, I could calculate the kinetic energy of the puck. And if I know the kinetic energy of the puck equals the UG of the puck, right? And the truth is, I don't even have to know the mass of the puck. This is one of the cool things. Let's see, can I? Oh God, I don't want to see that. That's for sure. Share. Sorry guys, I hate that you have to look at that. Let's see. Okay, so nice. So the truth is, if I can find the velocity, here using the tools and stuff, if I know EK should equal UG, right? That means 1/2 mv squared should equal mgh. And I've been reminding you on the AP exam, when you know it's a conservation, when you know something about it, say it. So in this case, conservation of energy, if I were on the AP exam or in my verbal summative or whatever, I would write first conservation of energy, second energy kinetic equals UG, and then I would write the conservation equation, which is what that is, and then I would say, hey, I don't have to know the mass because the mass isn't a factor, right? So truly, all I have to know is the velocity and, what planet I'm on. Okay, so if I want to know the height, I can look at this and see that it is what? V squared over 2G equals height. I want to remind you here also that you have got to solve with variables before you put the numbers in all the way through. All right, so now what we see that's super cool is that if I just know the velocity and I know I'm on Earth, which we assume I am, then I can predict the height. And that's what they want you to do. So figure out the velocity here and then use this equation to predict the height. Now I'm going to clear this and let's see if there's anything else here worth talking about. Principle, conservation of energy, surely. I guess I could just show the notes and answers. Okay. So they tell you a bunch of stuff. I'm not looking at this. Conservation of energy. I don't know what all that is. I don't want to look at that. Oh, look, it's just what I did. V squared over 2G. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay, so here are a bunch of trials. And what velocity did you measure? Okay, whatever. Height. Check your prediction. This part was a little weird because they wanted like a 1 or 2 or something. But I don't think that's necessary. So there you have it. Woohoo!